Do you want to read exactly what happened in a meeting, word for word? Did you read notes of a meeting but want to know exactly what was said? Want to record what was said in a doc format that's easily editable? Transcribe your meeting in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to transcribe your meetings in Google Meet. Let's get started. In a Meet call, click the shapes, then Transcripts, Start Transcription. Similar to a recording, the transcription will be sent to the meeting owner as a doc with exact details on who said what. So there you have it. Transcribe your meeting in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube.